Hey girlies, I am back with another videos. Get ready with me to go to Super Sunday. I'm excited to go because it's my first time. So I'm like real life in a rush because I'm not trying to be late. I heard that the parking is crazy. So yeah, I like to just leave the house a little early, especially if I don't know about the parking situation. Motherfucker, I'm outside, okay? But anyway, I wanted to talk about closure. Right, I was gonna save this for a separate video, but I'm like, what the hell, I might as well just make it a voiceover. Now if you do not want closure, put me on mute real quick. I'm gonna give you like 5 seconds. 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so the girlies that want closure, right, what is closure to you? Closure is something that you have to create for yourself, because when you think about the person, you're always thinking about, oh, why, I want to know why, I want to know how, I want to know what was the reason. But realistically, you're holding yourself and that person hostage in your mind. Okay, you didn't do nothing wrong. Your closure is the fact that they did what the fuck they did. They said what the fuck they said. They are who the fuck they are. Your closure is just accepting it is what it was, okay? Like, there's no more of that waiting for some answers, okay? Because this person was really being deceitful. So who's to tell you if this person is going to lie to you or not, right? So instead of holding yourself hostage, just accept it and go heal. Go move on with grace, right? You don't want this person in your life. Clearly, this person wasn't for you. Clearly, God was taking out the trash and was doing you a favor. Because if he was, or if she was for you, then this shit wouldn't happen. Or you wouldn't be looking for closure, right? I want you guys to step in your power. Go heal. Go do something that is going to uplift you and bounce you the fuck back. And I'm going to also do a separate video about bouncing back. But guys, look at this lip combo. I was obsessed. Okay, I wish I didn't do this color low-key. I feel like I should have done like a nude color, but I felt like, what the hell, because the eyeshadow was giving like very settle, so I felt like I wanted to give it a pop. Yes, guys, I made it to Super Sunday. I wanted to give you guys the finished look. Now, as you can see, it's not the same lip color because, child, after all that laughing, eating, I was just like, whatever. Like, this is what we gonna get. I guess this is what we gonna give. But as you can see, the wind was definitely winding, okay? Like, do y'all see them feathers? Like, it was about to blow off these people's heads. I was so ashamed, but they did their thing. I loved every freaking performance, the live music, the dancing. It felt like a big ass family cookout, because I feel like everybody in New Orleans was here. Like, if you wasn't here, I don't know where the fuck you was at, because bitch, why ain't you here? Food, guys, the food. I normally don't eat from food trucks, but only from New Orleans, because anybody that knows know that New Orleans don't have an ordinary food truck. Like, the shit is popping. I'll definitely be back next year because I love when our people just come together and have a good time. I'm gonna close here, but thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed yet, you might as well go ahead and subscribe. If you want to see more videos of girl talk, makeup, cooking, then yeah, follow me, subscribe to me. Everything is down below in the links. And I'll catch you guys on my next video. Bye!